Given away, and Santos has a look up. Santos to Sales. Shalulile, what a save! Shalulile again, goal! Peter Shalulile is fifth of the season, number 133. He is cooking with gas.
Peter Shalulile, he is in the mood. He never started the season well. He was always second best to Reyners, who continued his scoring form from last season. We spoke about this game with those unforced errors, half opportunities that have been created from both sides. Mamelodi Sundows, this time around, they were able to benefit. Santos thing that had Sales out wide. With Sales playing lopsided, it made it difficult for him to control with his left. Sales finding himself, that first touch let him down, but Peter Shalulile, that second invite as well.
On the left foot is second time. This first touch from Sales almost saw the opportunity slip by.
Yeah.
Good save from Chain as well, but Santos had plenty of time to move forward and set the whole thing up.
Yeah, because I can see that he's trying to set himself up. I'm thinking he's going to take a shot. And equally as well, maybe with option as well on the right-hand side, but they made sure that they finished that attack.
Looks as if Apollos is going to come across and take it. Give a goal away from a simple set piece, but we've seen quite a few actually scored this season in the league. In from Apollos, missed by Nduli. Danson! Oh! That is some goal! Left footer from the 20-year-old. Now you know his name. That is some goal. On the full volley as well.
On the full volley. Those comes once in a while for a player of such talent. I don't think he'll ever score such a beautiful goal. I think it caught also Ronan Williams by surprise. The ball was deflected outside the box. You've spoken about not conceding any goal. Such a lousy set piece that was created by Mamelodi Sundows. But you thinking that they defended that corner kick, he finds himself outside the box with a left foot.
We've got to look at this again. We've got to look at it several times. Just savor this. Full volley, left-footed, Ronald Williams. There was a bullet that went right past him. Sweetly hit.
Now, if any fan that had any doubts as to then why Danson has started, that's the reason that he gives them.
Yeah, and I don't think the question is going to be asked of the coach when the match is over. Look at Sipho Mbule's reaction.